Hello everyone. So in this video we will be learning about we will learn JavaScript by building something very practical. Okay, we won't be learning JavaScript just like that, but we will build something which you will you usually use whenever you visit a website. So we will build a modal window, and in the process you will learn JavaScript. So how do we use JavaScript and why do we use JavaScript? JavaScript allows you to use you to have some functionalities because except other than JavaScript the pages should be static. Okay, so although you can function without JavaScript, but you cannot do certain things like API calls and other things. To make the page dynamic you need JavaScript. Okay, so let's jump right into it. And so far we have done this website where we have built this nav bar, we have built this form, we have built this banner, we have built this product catalog and all this stuff. So let's proceed with the next part, which is we will build a model. Okay, so before doing moving further, what we can do is we can have a script. Okay, so how do you use JavaScript? You can either have a script and you can write your JavaScript code over here. Okay, so let's say we have a function, let's say display hello, and within this let's alert something. Alert means a message. Okay, you will have, so let's say hello world, and when we will call this function, immediately when the page is okay, hello, this is the function we are calling. So if you see on page load we are getting hello world. Okay, so we can, another way is we do not write the code over here, instead we give src equals script.js and you create a script file, and inside this you write this code, and even then it will work. Okay, so we won't of course be alerting hello, so what we will be doing is we will be having a modal window. Okay, so div id equals modal, and inside the modal what we'll have, we will have a form to capture the email address of the user who visits our website. Okay, so input type equals text placeholder. So what is placeholder? It will give a hint, enter your email address, and you can give something like label receive weekly newsletter, and we will have a submit, we will have a submit button, and we will also have a button which will be close. Okay, so we will have a close button and we will have a submit button. Okay, so and our modal, we will have some styling, which is style equals background color will be white, of course, width will be, let's say 500 pixel, height will be 400 pixels, and we want the entire thing to be located at the center. So inside the center tag we place this, and where is it? It is here. So how do we place it at the top? So for that, what we will do is, in our CSS we will write modal position fixed, top let's say 40 pixel, left let's say 500 pixel or 400 pixel. Okay, so here is our modal. We can give our modal a color rather. So background color we can give and we can have a padding 30 pixels and also we will have a line break over here, another line break over here, so some more breaks. Okay, so now we will give some styling to this text. So modal input type equals text. So this is the way we select. You can always use ID, but I am just showing you that you can also use input type text in order to select that. Okay, so you can have let's say padding, let's say 10 pixels. Let's see how that look, and 20 pixel. Let's see, width 100% or rather 60%. Let's see. Okay, border radius, let's say 10 pixels, a little curved border. Okay, similarly we can have input type equals submit, and to our button also we want that hash modal button, or we will give a different color to the close one. Okay, so background color, and let's select a color, let's say this one or this one, and padding, let's say 10 pixel and 20 pixel, and color white. So the text color will be white. Okay, so this is our button. So we will have a cancel button also, so close button. So similarly for close button we will have all of this except this will be button, and the color will be different. Okay, so we are giving a color, let's say this. Okay, so we have a submit button and a close button. Okay, and we can give our modal padding top, let's say 60 pixel or 100 pixel, just to get it in the middle, and or let's say 60 pixel will do. Okay, so 60 pixel, we have this, and now initially our modal will be hidden. Okay, so visibility will be initially it will be hidden, and opacity will be 0. So now if you see, it's gone. Okay, so and transition, on transition, so there will be a smooth effect. We'll show that just a minute. Let's do the script. Okay, so now we can select, so document dot get element by ID modal. So this will do what this will do, this will select the model. Okay, with the ID model. So the ID is model, right? So it will select that, and then document.getElementById model dot style dot visibility equals visible, and we can just reuse this document dot get element by id, and opacity, this will be opacity will be 1. But when we want this, we want the model to be displayed after some time. No, if you see now it's displayed immediately. So to do that we will have set timeout. So this is a function which will help us do that. Okay, so it will be displayed after, let's say, 5000 millisecond, and we put our code over here. Okay, so after 5000 millisecond it will be displayed. So you wait for some time and you see it comes up. Okay, so immediately it won't be showing, it will wait for some time and then it will come up. Okay, so now what we will do is we want to add some transition. Okay, we will add some transition. So how will you do that? So in the model we will add transition visibility will be 2 seconds, let's say, and opacity will be, let's say, 0 or 1.5 second linear. Oh sorry, this will be space. So you see this gives this smooth transition. Okay, so now we get back there and we will work on the close button. So we will give on click, we will have a function called close model. Okay, we will call this function over here and we will write this function over here. So function close model, and we will close the model. So how do we do that? Very simple, we will just copy this to line again and we will give it like display hidden and opacity again to 0. So now the model comes up, you can type something, but when you click close, it's gone. Okay, so hope you liked this video. So you see after sometimes it comes back again because it is given set timeout, so that's why it is coming back again. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video. So thanks for watching, we will see you in the next video. Okay, where we will be discussing some further details about JavaScript, jQuery, we will learn Bootstrap and much more. Okay, we will also look into backend. So thanks for watching, bye.